Positive support is the gentle nudge that propels us forward when self-doubt tries to anchor us down. And that is the thought for today. Welcome to 7 Good Minutes. I'm Clyde Lee Dennis. Thanks for joining me for what I believe will be 7 of the most enriching minutes of your day. In today's episode of 7 Good Minutes, we talk about the impact of a positive support system. Enjoy. A positive support system is made up of people who encourage, uplift, and genuinely care about your well-being. These can be friends, family members, mentors, or even colleagues who understand your goals, celebrate your successes, and stand by you through challenges. Having a solid support system is important because it provides you with emotional stability and strength, especially when times are tough. When you feel supported, you're more likely to take risks, pursue your dreams, and handle setbacks with greater resilience. A positive support system is not just about having people around you. It's about having the right people who inspire growth and help you become the best version of yourself. This network helps to remind you that you're not alone and that there are people who believe in you and your journey. Having a positive support system significantly enhances your emotional well-being. When you're surrounded by people who uplift and encourage you, it can greatly reduce feelings of loneliness, anxiety, and stress. Their presence can provide a sense of comfort and security, knowing there are people you can turn to when life gets challenging. This connection to others can boost your mood and improve your overall mental health. Moreover, supportive people often help you gain perspective, offering different viewpoints and advice that can help you navigate difficult situations more effectively. They also serve as a source of motivation, inspiring you to keep going when you feel like giving up. By sharing your joys, sorrows, and everyday experiences, you build deeper connections that can enrich your life in countless ways. Building and nurturing a positive support network takes time and effort, but it is well worth it. Start by identifying people in your life who have consistently been positive, supportive, and encouraging. Reach out to these individuals and invest in those relationships by spending time together, sharing openly, and offering your support in return. It's also helpful to seek out new connections through groups or communities that align with your interests or values. Remember, building a support network is a two-way street. Be willing to give as much as you receive, showing appreciation and being there for others when they need it. Regular communication is key. Check in with your support network regularly, even when things are going well, to maintain a strong, trusting connection. Finding the right support system can sometimes be challenging, especially if you've experienced past disappointments or feel unsure about where to start. It's natural to feel hesitant, but remember that it's worth the effort. Start by being honest about what you need in a support system, and don't be afraid to set boundaries with people who don't contribute positively to your life. Look for opportunities to connect with like-minded individuals, whether through social events, online communities, or local clubs. Be open to new relationships and willing to step out of your comfort zone. If you find that your current circle doesn't provide the support you need, it's okay to seek new connections. Remember, it's about quality, not quantity, and finding those who genuinely care about your well-being. Sustaining and expanding your support system over time requires ongoing effort and attention. Make it a priority to nurture the relationships that matter most by regularly expressing gratitude and appreciation. Don't take your support network for granted. Continue to invest time and energy into maintaining those connections. Stay open to meeting new people who might enrich your support system. Be proactive in reaching out, sharing your experiences, and listening to others. As you grow and change, your needs and connections may shift as well, and that's okay. Embrace the evolution of your support network, understanding that it is a dynamic part of your personal growth journey. This sustained effort helps ensure that your support system remains a source of strength, comfort, and encouragement throughout your life. That does it for today's episode of 7 Good Minutes. Please take a moment to rate and review the show on the platform you're listening on. Until next time, let's be civil to one another out there. Thanks for listening.